Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Josh. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to create a PayPal account in Nigeria. No matter of us are having an issue on creating accounts in so many restricted countries recently because of a restriction that PayPal did last 2 to 3 years ago because of limitation, and a lot of people are finding it difficult to create a PayPal in their country or country that been restricted. So don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you guys on how you can create a PayPal account in Nigeria and without encountering ban or restriction in your account. If that is what you are looking for, definitely this video will help you, because I'm going to show you full tutorial on how you can do that to create your account in Nigeria or any restricted country, and then start making use of it to send and receive money in your country. So if that is what you are looking for, follow me to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like our videos, and turn on your post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. So welcome back. You have to see over here in my screen I have Google. So what we have to do is, for you to be able to create a PayPal account in a restricted country, number one, you have to make use of countries that are not being restricted. You have to change your region. You have to make use of people or country that is accepting PayPal and that is creating PayPal right away, and they are not being bound. So what we have to do is to find country that we got to use their region to create our own PayPal account. So for you to do that, Nigeria, our region is NG. So if I use Nigerian region, they will definitely ban me from using PayPal. So I have to find another country that can be used. So for you to do that, I had to show you how to do that in my screen. Look at my screen right now. I had to make use of this country called Lesotho. Lesotho country, their own is LX. Other country they have AE, they have AI, they have a lot of them. So what you have to do, for you to change region, or if you know any country region, for you to change it, you have to just type paypal.com. Then you put scratch. You guys will see LX. I have already made use of it. That's why it's showing that if it's AE, you can simply write AE or any particular country you want to use. You can use IX and other, but what I want to use is LX. So I have to type on enter. Then it will divert me to my PayPal homepage where I got to start registering. So right here, you guys will see that I'm in PayPal right now, and if you look straight to my browser search, you have to see paypal.com/LX/web app/mmp and merchant, all of them. So this is it. So if you check out, you have to see PayPal Smart Choice for Business. So what you have to do is to click on sign up to the PayPal database. So over here in my screen, you have to see that I have PayPal already, and then here is trying to see yourself why millions of people love PayPal. So see for yourself. So over here, guys, is sign up for PayPal. It's free. So choose from two types of account. They have personal account and they have business account, which I'm going to use business account because it will allow us to make use of a lot of features. But for personal accounts, it's only you guys to see shop in your country and around the world from computer to your mobile phone without sharing your financial information about the seller. So this is it, but we have to make use of business accounts. So let's continue with business accounts. For taking a lot of our time, so over here, guys, you see here where they ask us to add in PayPal. Though I have my own PayPal account, so I'm going to create another PayPal account. Joshdehustler at gmail.com. Please make use of your original Gmail account, because they got to send you code during registration. Make use of your original Gmail account for you not to have issue when creating this. So over here you have to put in a strong password for your Gmail. So I have my own password. Then I had to click on continue. Then it will take me to this page, tell us about your business. Over here you have to make use of your real name so that when you are trying to verify your prepaid, it won't be an issue for you. Sorry, this should be Chukwemeka. Business name is Joshdehustler. Okay, so over here I've imputed that, and the postal code. If you don't know what's your postal code, simply go to your browser and type in if you are in Lagos, just type in Lagos. Let me show you how to do it. Go to your browser, write Lagos postal code. So Lagos postal code, you guys see it here. Then it will display a lot of postal code. You can choose any one of your choice here and then bypass the process. So over here you have to see they ask us our phone number. Do not use your Nigerian phone number, they will definitely know that you are Nigerian then. So what you have to use is a random phone number. Since we are using Lesotho as our own region, we have to make use of Lesotho phone number. I know a lot of you guys will be saying, how will I get Lesotho phone number? Should I go and start buying phone number? No, you don't have to buy phone number. You can just go to your browser and type in random Lesotho phone number. That will generate that for you, and then you can use it to create your stuff. In the future, you can simply go to your settings and change that in your settings. So let's go over to our browser to type in random Lesotho's phone number. You guys see it here. I've already done that similarly when I was studying my stuff in order to present this video. I did first video, but that didn't work out when I was making my record. The record was not recorded, so that's it. I feel bad. So over here you guys see bunch of phone numbers you can use. So I guys to definitely use any one of my choice. Let me just copy this, then go over to my paper, then paste it in here. Over here it have already completed, so you have to check consumer advisory. That's just it. If you want to read it, you can read it, the agreement. So you got to click on agree and continue. So let's give it some time to load. Over here they will ask you describe your business. Since we are using business method, so you guys will find in individual, corporation, partnership. So let's click on partnership. I think partnership have numerous options. So over here you guys will see type in whatever you want to type. Let me type in business registration number, optional, country of region. Let me just remove partnership. I think that should contain a lot of information. So let's require. So I had to put in any stuff, department store, timeship, show mobile dealer, show mobile computer software store. So I have to put on computer software store. Then I click on continue. Over here they will ask us, tell us more about your business, tell more about yourself. Sorry, please complete the personal information below. We only use this information according to our policy statement. So over here you guys to put in correct details. 6 June. I might skip this side. So here is very important. Nationality, how to put in your nationality, which is Nigeria. Then you have to put it in Nigeria so that you guys to verify our NIN. So yeah, in identity documents, they'll ask you whether you have to put in your nationality, national ID card, passport, driving license, and more. So this place is very important, and if you don't have this, I advise you to go get one. You understand? Or you can use your brother own to verify it, or you can go to online, can type it. I think you can find that and use it on your own self. So I had to put nationality ID number, then I had to put in my national identity using my mobile phone. I have it in my mobile phone, so I had to put it in here So putting it 1102. So this is it. So I had to click on submit. Then it will load and take us to another page where we got to see the magic. So over here, you guys to see they send me a notification showing that they have suspicious and inaccurate stuff in here because I already created account today and the same information. So I think this account, if you want to create, use your account, create it once, don't create two accounts at a time, because you have to get this message in there. So over here, you have to see we have more information from you. We need to provide the requested information to regain full access. So you have to see it in here. So you have to see that our account is definitely working. You have to see it in here that our account is definitely working. Though we are having some message that is kind of bad because I've already created that, which my record does not work. Then that's why this is showing. So what you have to do is to confirm it and then start making use of your account. Your account is now suitable to use. So this is it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on a post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. Thank you for sticking to the end. See you in my next video. Bye bye. You see, because you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so that I will get the clear view. Never don't blame lights. Thank you and God bless.